Remitly is a secure platform for international money transfers, allowing users to send funds to over 170 countries with options like cash pickup or bank deposit. Opening an account is free, quick, 5 to 10 minutes, and available via app, iOS or Android, or website. You must be 18 plus and in an eligible country, for example, US, UK, Canada. No credit check is required, but identity verification may be needed for larger transfers. Download or visit Remitly. Install the Remitly app from the App Store or Google Play, or go to remitly.com, tap Sign Up or Get Started. Enter basic info. Provide your full name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. Create a strong password. Verify your phone via SMS OTP. Complete profile. Enter your address, occupation, and purpose for using Remitly, for example, family support. Agree to terms and privacy policy. Verify identity. Upload a government-issued ID, like a driver's license, passport, and possibly a selfie. Remitly uses this for KYC compliance. Approval is usually instant. Link payment method. Add a debit or credit card or bank account.
For banks, confirm via microdeposits, 2 small amounts, 1 to 2 days, or Plaid instant verification. Start sending. Once verified, select recipient details, amount, and delivery method. Review fees, exchange rates before your first transfer. Tips. Enable 2FA for security. New users may get promo rates on first transfers.
For issues, contact support via app chat 24/7. Always use official sources to avoid scams.